There you go. Look at him. Look at him. Pick him up. Pick him up. Hi, Kai Kai. Look, he's picking it up. He's picking. Oh, and he dropped it on the ground. There it is. Oh, let's see. He's going for the other one. He's going for the other one. And he's picking it up. He's picking it up. This is big. This is big. He's big. Look. Come on. Pick it up. No, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Come here. Come here. Put it in your mouth. Here, look. Go like this. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your hand. And put it in your mouth. Look. And then put it in your mouth. Bloop. That's your big brother's pacifier, huh? There. Now you know what to do with it. Now you know what to do with it. Pick it up and put it in your mouth. Pick it up and put it in your mouth. Look. Pick it up and put it in your mouth. Ready? Bloop. Bloop. There you go. There you go. Woo. Woo. That's your middle name, huh? Kai Benjamin. Kai Benjamin. Huh. Huh. You want to get the other one?